Hey everybody, hope everybody's doing well out there. Just going to show you how to go to our website, and our store is closed, but we've got shop online right now. We've got the Area Rug store here, which is pretty amazing. You can go there. You can shop for probably 100,000 different area rugs. All kinds of stuff is on sale right now. Beautiful stuff on there. But anyways, back to our website here. Um, we do have free delivery right now to your home. It's a driveway drop-off. You can go in here, you can browse, you can click on what you want. Let's try carpet. Um, so you can see room scenes in our gallery if you want. You can also, if you browse the catalog, that's probably the easiest way. You pick a product. Then when you go there, it'll show you the product. You can look at some different room scenes, things like that, get an idea. If you see a product that you like, you can fill out the contact us form over here, send us some information. If you're looking for a sample, we might be able to get you a sample. Most products we can nowadays have it sent to your home. Otherwise, again, you might, let's say you're looking for some vinyl, a lot of great click waterproof products nowadays. Again, you can click on browse, you can look at the catalog. A lot of products we have in stock right here. So if you do pick something that you want to do yourself, we can have it delivered to your home within 24 to 48 hours. If you pick something that's not in stock, for some products you might have to wait a week or two or longer if it's back ordered, but a week or so is kind of the normal, and then we could have it delivered to your home. We do have curbside pickup as well for anybody that wants to pick it up. You just drive up to the bay door, call the number on the screen, stay in your car, we load it in your trunk, you drive away. So we're trying to make it very simple for you. We still want you to find a floor that you love and that's going to last for a long time and it's going to be beautiful. At the same time, we do have a lot of stuff on sale. So pop over, visit our website, contact us. You can call us. You can fill out the contact form. Our number is 519-747-5739. We might not be in the office, but it will forward to one of our phones at home or wherever we are, and we will field your questions, help you make some decisions, pick wisely what products might be best for your application, etc., and so on. So just wishing everybody well out there, blessings, praying for everybody to stay safe and well, and looking forward to tomorrow. Blessings.